Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Fireboy DML, he released some songs recently, and this is one of them, Iseoluwa. So we're gonna look at this song and a couple more from the later songs. So yeah, if you're a fan of Fireboy, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let's move on with this Iseoluwa. I believe that translates into Lord's work, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, you feel that he's blessed, and it's great to be appreciated in life. So this is what we're gonna look at, the song here, and we are going clean on fretboard, no need for any capo here, and we also have the famous four chords G, D, E minor, and C. So these four chords make great songs in different constellations. So let's look at the chords, starting with G. And we have third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next is D, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E minor, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally, we have the C. Third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so G, D, E minor, and C. Let's take a look at the string pattern. And the song starts with G. So I grab that chord first, and one string around will be down, up, clap, down. Okay, so one down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. And a couple rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm goes like this. All right, so we're gonna look at this chord progression, and it's the same from the beginning till the end, and it goes G, 3 string rounds, D, 1, then back to G, 3, and D, 1, then E minor 3, D, 1, C, 3, and D, 1. So D, 1 comes in between all the 3 chords, so it's G, D, G, D, E minor, D, C, D. So let's go. G3, D1, G3, D1, E minor 3, 2, 3, D, C, 2, 3, D. Again. Alright guys, so it doesn't have to be harder than that. Fireboy DML, Iseoluwa. Give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.